Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get time for stew achievement. Start by mapping the fastest route that hits every clock and cooking trigger without detours. Gather ingredients and time boosts so you are ready before the run begins. Focus on consistent execution, learn enemy patterns that cause slowdowns, and practice quick restarts to refine your timing until the strategy becomes reliable and you achieve success consistently. Start the run by moving immediately to the closest stove and activating the first timer smoothly. Keep movement deliberate to avoid unnecessary encounters that waste seconds, and use time boosts strategically where they preserve later trigger windows. Maintain calm during tight sections, and if you fail, reset quickly so muscle memory improves your route. Repeating this focused loop will tighten your times and make the achievement much more attainable. If a run breaks down, reset quickly and review what caused the delay to prevent repeating the same mistake. Recording or watching your attempts helps identify tiny routing errors or hesitation points that cost seconds. Experiment with mobility items or perk choices that reduce interruptions, and refine your timing on difficult sections until the route flows. With focused practice and adjustments, you will consistently shave time and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.